Incoming device is an iPhone 6, silver and space gray in color. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Front camera lens does not have any cracks forming in front of it. Volume buttons, volume rocker, power button, home button. Touch ID is not testable. At the moment, the last 4 digits of the IMEI is 0970, and it is taking an incoming charge current of 1.16 to 1.83. Bottom screws are present. I'm taking a look at the perimeter of the device. There is a little dent at the upper right, all along the right side as well. Let's check the camera. Camera appears to be showing clean, crisp image. It is at 14% TWF LTE.